Hello students, myself Assistant Professor Jeetendra Gurjar from KLS Gupta Institute of Technology, Belgaum. Today I am going to solve problems on inverse trigonometric functions. You see, very easily we can simplify these problems. Here we start very simple problems, and you see it is very important to know how to simplify inverse trigonometric functions. So we'll go with immediately with the first example. Example 1. Yes, friends, very easily you can see. You can take down the question. If sine inverse 1 upon 3 plus sine inverse 2 upon 3 is equal to sine inverse x is given. Yes. In such type of problems, friends, you should be very careful. What is the value of x? Then the value of x is, yes, very simple, they will give you here, students. It is first option 5 root 5 plus root 2 upon 9, and the next option you can see root 5 plus 4 root 2 upon 9. Immediately when you get the question, you start writing the problem, or you try to solve the problem. Let us see how many will simplify this problem. Very easily you should able to simplify. So I will tell you how you are going to simplify this problem using the trick. So here immediately you should take solution, how you will going to choose the correct answer. Yes, friends, first you take only the question, then use the formula here, sine inverse x plus sine inverse y. You have to remember the formula. This is our x is 1 upon 3. So take x is equal to 1 upon 3, y is equal to 2 upon 3. So please remember the formula and write down. This is sine inverse 1 upon 3 square root of 1 minus y square. Y square is nothing but, so I'll write here y square. Immediately you should able to write down, and x square is 1 upon 9. So that will just substitute the values here, friends, easily. So this is 4 upon 9 plus, you're going to write here now y 2 upon 3 square root of 1 minus x square, that is 1 upon 9. So this is our sine inverse x. 1 minute question, 1 minute answer, you will get it. So here you use the formula properly, sine inverse, just simplification. So this is 1 upon 3 square root of, this is 5 upon square root of 9 will become 3. So plus, take the LCM quickly, students. 9 minus 1 will become 8. So this is square root of 8 divided by, and square root of 9 is 3. So I'll write directly 3. So this is sine inverse x. You find I will solve this in 1 minute. So this is sine inverse root 5. Take the LCM. You are going to get here. So you can take out square root 8. You can easily write this 2 root 2. So 2 into 2 will become 4 root 8 upon, this is 9. So this is equal to sine inverse x. So sine inverse x, sine inverse will get cancelled. That implies x is equal to square root of 5 plus 4 root 8 upon 9. So your answer is B. Is it clear, students? So like this you should able to simplify easily, and very quickly you are going to simplify the problem. So we'll go with the second example. So please write down example 2. So this is again, find the value tan inverse 3 minus sec inverse minus 2 is equal to, Yes, friends. So they always give the options here. Some options they give. Use the trick within 1 minute. You should able to simplify. Right? Your time starts now. See, all I have given the question. Now you're going to just simplify the problem. So immediately you're going to take the solution. How you will simplify this, friends? First, see, in this type of example, always you simplify, divide the problem and simplify quickly, so that easily you can find the answer. So I will take some tan inverse root 3 is equal to x. I take just simplifying the problem. So easily you find x is equal to pi by 3. So this is pi. Okay. Same way, you're going to take sec inverse minus 2 is equal to, I will take some y value. So easy you can see here minus is there, students. So please be very careful while taking the sign here. So whenever there is a minus is there, see that you simplify properly. So this is sec inverse. So you cannot simplify directly. Therefore, you can easily write here. So sec of pi minus pi by 3. So sec pi by 3 is 2, but you can see here minus is there. To simplify this minus, this is a trick. While taking the minus, you always take here pi minus pi upon 3, so that this will come in the negative sign. Pi sec pi minus theta is in negative. So you have to remember this. Sec pi minus theta is always sec minus 2. So this is how we are going to use this problem. Okay. So now just simplify this, runs. So therefore you get this is equal to sec 2 pi by 3. So therefore easily you can identify y is equal to 2 pi by 3. This is how you have to simplify. So this x belongs to from minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. This you have to keep it in mind, whereas y is belong to interval 0 to pi. So these are the properties you are going to use here and identify and simplify. Therefore just substitute the values here, students, now. So therefore x is our pi by 3. So I will just simplify first x and y. What I have taken here, students, I have taken the same equation given here. I have made it x minus y, which is equal to pi upon 3 minus 2 pi upon 3, which is equal to minus pi by 3. 1 minute you can easily simplify. What is the option? Option number is our B. So like this you should easily simplify the problem. So next example is very very important, and you see that such type of examples you have to practice again and again. So please write down the next example, students. This is example 3. Just find the value. They may give like this. What is that? Tan inverse square root of 1 plus x square plus square root of 1 minus x square divided by square root of 1 plus x square minus square root of 1 minus x square. So this type of example you see that definitely such problems will occur in the exam. Okay, friends, so easily you solve now. So you can solve this easily. You find it very easy, friends. When you go through this lecture till the last end of this lecture, you will be perfect in this example. So whenever you get this type of example, you see that you substitute only by substitution method. You can easily solve. So I take x square is equal to cos 2 theta, so that 2 theta is equal to, this is cos inverse x square, or theta you can see this is 1 upon 2 cos inverse x square. So substitute the values quickly, students. Within 1 minute you should able to simplify this. So after looking this lecture completely, you definitely find it very useful and very helpful. Okay, so I'll just substitute here now. Wherever x square is there, I will just substitute cos 2 theta. So this is 1 plus cos 2 theta plus square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta divided by, now this is going to become 1 plus cos 2 theta, right, minus square root of 1 minus cos 2 theta. Just within 1 minute you should be able to simplify this ones. Now just simplify. This is tan inverse, so you have to remember the formula here. Yes, one formula you have to immediately strike in your mind front very easily, that 1 plus, wherever 1 plus cos 2 theta is given, I am repeating CS ones, 1 plus cos 2 theta is nothing but 2 cos square theta. You have to remember this ones. 1 minus cos theta, can anybody tell me what will be 1 minus cos 2 theta? It is equal to 2 sine square theta. So this will help us to remove the square root. So therefore we take this cos 2 theta. The purpose of taking cos 2 theta is easily you can make a square and square root will be banished. So this tricks you have to remember. Okay, so therefore, so why I'm making this, because after simplifying you can see whenever tan inverse comes, there must be tan inside the bracket, so that inverse tan and tan will get cancelled and you will get back the angle. So therefore I will take here tan inverse. This is just substitute here. So you can see here square root and root will get cancelled once. Immediately you can easily write here. This is 2 cos square theta plus square root 2 sin square theta divided by square root 2 cos square theta plus square root 2 sin square theta. Okay, you find I'm making this purpose is to make tan inside this bracket. So just remember tan inverse. So this is now root 2. Root 2, everywhere root 2 is there. Cancel the root 2. Square root and square will go. So simply you will write this as cos theta plus sine theta divided by, yes, please. This is minus is there. So don't make mistakes, friends. Very, very important. So this is cos theta minus sine theta. I think everybody is clear till here. Yes. Now divide this by cos theta in the numerator and denominator. This will become tan inverse 1 plus tan theta divided by sine theta divided by cos theta will be equal to tan theta. So I am dividing everywhere cos theta. As you can see, cos theta will get cancelled. Cos theta upon cos theta will be equal to 1. So therefore, now you remember the formula 1 plus tan theta. You can easily write down the tan pi by 4 plus theta. So tan a plus b you can use, which will become tan pi by 4 plus tan theta. You can easily see tan pi by 4 is 1. So therefore we use this formula, students. So therefore this is tan pi by 4. Please remember this is 1. So therefore this is tan inverse tan a plus b. So a is nothing but now here pi by 4 plus theta. So tan will get cancelled. Please see that every time whenever tan inverse comes inside the bracket, you should write the, always you should make it in tan, so that this is our solution, or we take this as answer. So quickly you can go with the next example, students. Very, very important. So write down example 4. So find, so very simple value they say, find sec square tan inverse 2 plus cosec square cot inverse 3. Just find the value, students. Easily we will get here. So immediately you should write the solution. Within 1 minute you should able to simplify. So I will write like this. Here, looking at this question, you can easily see that, students, you can write like this. This is actually sec tan inverse 2 the whole square, right? The square is there. You can easily make out here. So this is cosec tan inverse the whole square you will get, right? So now this is tan inverse. So what I just do, just it should strike in your mind that this is tan inverse 2. I will take some value theta. Means that you say that this is opposite upon adjacent, right? So therefore you take the triangle here. This is 2 and 1. I will make the angle theta. Use the Pythagoras theorem. Yes, friends. If you take this as x and y, so you will get here r easily x square plus y square is equal to r square. Just square this 4 plus 1 square root, you will get here 5. So that easily you can write like this. So now tan inverse 2, here I will take now sec. So what will be the sec? Yes, friend. So sec inverse root 5 is equal to, we take this now theta, which will easily give you, this is cos theta is equal to 1 upon root 5. So all these things will be helpful while solving the problem. So same way I will take here cot inverse 3 is equal to some theta I take, then draw the triangle. Yes, so here again opposite I will draw, take here angle theta. Here opposite is 1 and adjacent is 3. So again you can take the square. 9 plus 1, it will be 10. So this is square root 10. So hypotenuse is 10. So therefore now you write down the what is cosec theta. So cosec theta is root 10. So cosec inverse root 10 is equal to, this is theta. So theta you can easily make out, students. So therefore just substitute the values. That implies sec. So tan inverse 2, I have taken this as theta square, right? Just have substituted the value. So here also cosec cot inverse 3, I have taken here theta. So make the square and just simplify. Now you can see here, students, this theta is now going to become, this is sec inverse root 5 the whole square I will get here, plus here you can see just substituting the values. Theta value are substituted here and this theta value I'm going to substitute here. So this is cosec theta is now, this theta I will write down here, cosec inverse root 10. Very easily you can simplify this one. So sec and sec inverse will get cancelled. This is root 5 square, plus here also cosec and cosec inverse will get cancelled. This is 10 square. So easily you can take here 5 plus 10 is equal to 15. Very easily you can simplify this one. Please practice the problems. All the best and thank you so much for watching the videos. Yes, friends, thank you. And